What's up, everybody, and welcome back to For Love of the Mouse. And obviously you all know we are in different times right now. Crystal and I, we're here in our house. So today we're going to do something a little different for a vlog. We are going marble racing. So before I explain what exactly we're doing with marble racing today, go ahead, click that subscribe button down below. Click that thumbs up button so we know you like the video and you help grow our channel. And click that bell icon so that you're notified every time we release a new video on Mondays and Fridays. All right, well, as you know, we're doing our part and we are staying here in our home. So we're trying to find different things to do. There's obviously no sports to watch. So what I did was I bought a marble racing set. So right there's what I bought. Got that on Amazon, got it at the house. So I figured, why not do some marble racing with everybody and have some fun? Let's get started. So to start for our race, all the marbles will start up there in the cylinder, go down the tube, then they will go through this red windmill. They're gonna go through the windmill, then they're gonna go through the curves. They're gonna go down these blue and green rigid pieces. Then we're gonna go into another windmill, followed by another windmill. Then these purple zigzag jagged pieces. We got two of those they're going to go into. Then we'll come around here. They'll go into another blue piece, another windmill, the green rigid part, the curve, into the blue cylinder, and then finish right there. So for our racers today, we have the white marble, the yellow marble, the red marble, and the blue marble. Just so you know, this set came with 50 marbles. So we have plenty of marbles to race with. Okay, so as I showed you the race path of how these marbles are going to go, I showed you the 4 marbles we're going to be racing with today. What we are going to be doing is we're going to start all 4 of them at the same time up in the blue cylinder. I'm going to randomly rotate them in my hand so I don't know what order they are, and we'll let them go. Best 2 out of 3 wins. So put in the comments down below right now who you think's going to win. White, blue, yellow, or red. Take your pick and let us know in the comments down below who's going to win. All right, I have taken the marbles. I have shaken them up in my hand. I do not know the order. Are we ready? You put in the comments which one you think's going to win. Blue, white, yellow, or red. And race 1, go. And we're off. We're going. Oh, looks like yellow. Yellow's circling first. Is yellow going down? Oh, we're going. We're going. Looks like white's in the lead. Blue is in the lead. It's blue in the lead. Blue's the first one in the blue cylinder. Blue and yellow, and then red. White is coming up way back there. They're all in there now. Here we go. Blue's getting close to dropping. Who's going to drop? Oh, it's blue. Blue has dropped. Who's going to take second? We got red in second. Come on. Yellow and white. Who's left? Oh, white. White was in last at one place, and it takes third. Oh, man, yellow's circling the drain, and yellow brings up the end. Oh, my gosh. So if you had blue for race 1, we got a winner in blue. All right, first race is done. Blue was the winner. We're doing best 2 out of 3. I've shaken the marbles up in my hand, so we do not know the order. Race number 2. Here we go. Oh, red was first. Looks like blue was in the back. We're going around the cylinder here. Who's going to drop first? Oh, blue is first. Blue is first. Blue's stuck. Oh, there we go. Yellow bumped him. Then we got white. They're going. Oh, blue's hauling now. He's through the purple zigzags. Dropping down into the blue cylinder. White and yellow at the same time into the blue cylinder. Red is way up top still. Red's on its way down. Who's going to drop it? Oh, white! We got white for the second race as the winner. The other 3 are in. Yellow and blue. Oh, yellow takes second. Looks like blue's going to drop in for third. And fourth is just circling that drain is red. Poor red. Come on, red. There we go. All right, we got 1 for white and 1 for blue. On to race 3. Race 3, 1 win apiece for blue and white. Just like the other 2, marbles are all mixed up. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, red's first. They're hitting the cylinder. Round and round the bowl they go. Who will drop? Nobody knows. It's blue. He's going. Red. Oh, blue's way ahead. Way ahead of red. Blue's already in the cylinder at the bottom. The other two finally have dropped. It's blue and red. If blue drops first, he's the winner. Oh. Who we got here? Blue is circling. Oh, blue through for the win. 2 out of 3, red in second. Red came out of the gate first too. Yellow third. And white circling the drain to bring up last place. There it goes. Your winner. If I can get it to focus. The blue marble. For the first ever, for Love of the Mouse, Marble Racing League. There you have it, folks. The blue marble is our winner today. As I said, in the For Love of the Mouse Marble Racing League. Hopefully you all enjoyed this. It was spontaneous, something I just wanted to do to break the monotony that we're all going through right now. Don't let anything get you down. Just try to make the best of whatever situation you can. Reach out to us, talk to us. Crystal and I are always here. Now that you've watched this Racing League video of our Marble Racing League, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please click that like button. Click that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And please click that bell icon so you're notified whenever we release videos on Mondays and Fridays. Thank you so much for stopping by. And for the love of the mouse, never forget that it all started with a mouse. Hopefully we're all allowed to go be social soon because as you can see, I need a haircut and I'm not trimming my beard until